Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone to Google Photos easy guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the App Store and install Google Photos. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, grant the app permission to access your photos. To do this, tap Allow access to all photos when prompted. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Photos Settings from the menu that appears. Now, tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the Backup and Sync switch to the on position. Choose your preferred backup settings. You can select whether to backup using Wi-Fi only or cellular data as well. Scroll down to find upload size to choose the quality of your backups. Select between high quality for free unlimited storage or original quality for full resolution. Once you've made your selections, exit the settings menu. Now, return to your main photo library. Google Photos will start backing up your photos automatically. You can check the backup status by tapping on the Photos tab. Look for the cloud icon with an upward arrow, it will show your backup progress. Make sure to keep the app open or minimize it during the initial backup. If you want to backup specific albums, navigate to the album you want. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Backup. Your selected album will begin uploading to Google Photos. After the initial backup, Google Photos will continue to sync automatically. To view your backed up photos, simply open the Google Photos app. You can search and organize your photos easily using Google's features. Now, your iPhone photos are safely backed up to Google Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.